Hey there, Nick.Deckard with eXp Realty here in gorgeous Ocean City, New Jersey, and I'm excited to take you through this 3-bed, 2-bath, first floor gem at 839 St. Charles Place. It is just off the beach. It has so much going on inside. Huge front deck, garage, elevator, and so much more. Wanted to give a big thanks to John Kotakis with Fox Realty for letting me do this video for him to make sure that everybody out there, each and every one of you, get to check this out before it's gone. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can reach me any of the ways you see down in the description or at this phone number here. Without further ado, let's go check it out. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, this is a gorgeous property. I can hear the ocean off the front deck where I am right now. Given it is quiet, it is nearing nighttime, but still, it's a tough location to beat. If you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out any of the ways you see down in the description below. And while you're at it, if you like videos like this, if you love Ocean City like all of us do, feel free to subscribe down below. I come out with content and videos all around Ocean City real estate each and every week to help you make better, more confident decisions. Thanks for hanging out with me as always, and I will see you on the next video.